Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, the Parchment Fam. And today, as you can see what we have right here, so some red thing with some black seed, you know, we call this ackee. Real ackee in a pot, you know, and on a Jamaica this, you know. See that? We have a whole bag. Just come off of my host up. Is like I host up me have to go up and pick the ackee here because the tree them, the limb them skinny and you can't really climb the tree there so easy, you know, so climb on the house top and pick these, alright? So I'm going to XOXO out my ackee them now. Prepare them. I don't think I get to look at these right away because I have to make figure run a few errands on the road right now. So I'm just ox them out, take out the seed them, get them ready for when I come back off the road, cook up a storm with that and with some saltfish, you know? Yeah man, but before me start oxy ackee them, welcome back to the channel for regular viewers. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you like what you see going on so far, hit that subscribe button and turn that notification bell on, alright? So let me bring this close so you can see say a real thing me attack, a real ackee. See there? Hooks them on the iPad. See that? Nice ackee them man, you know? Just jump off of one house top of the top of the house as I said before, I house top me have to go up and really pick the ackee here. You know? I couldn't really climb that tree, they limb them too skinny people, but it's tall, so you get good access off of the house top with a stick, you know. Get a good amount of them, not too bad, you know. So we just ox them out. And then after that, we just take out the seed them out of it. One of the big one here, what's ackee?
Yummy.
Man, pull them forward, make them see to see. Get a bag full of ackee. I move them on the tree now. Just time it until weekend we go back again and get some more. So nice. For this good while I first never really run out of ackee here because I always get ackee from Jamaica. Have a freezer full of ackee, you know, but for some reason since the pandemic come in, I know we don't get to go back to Jamaica, so no ackee no run. So you know, so we have a good thing we have links here, so we have people with ackee tree in the yard. We can go pick some ackee. Alright? See there? A whole bag of ackee on this. Throw these in the garbage. Alright? See it there? There's a whole base in the ackee me get. There's a lot of ackee this people. Can get a good amount of eat out of this. So right now I'm just turning them up on the counter like that. You see me? Then we take out the seed them and put back in the basin. The red thing here inside the ackee, this red thing, we always take it out, you know, and take out the seed. Yeah, everybody, so right now just finished XOXO the ackee them, see them there. This is the ackee right here. Fair amount, not too bad. You know, this can go for a few days. Good amount of ackee this, you know. And what that is understanding me, this here the bowl deep and the ackee they were right here. So it's a good amount of ackee may have. Yeah people, so just change your mind, me so me there run out and come back and then me start sorting these out. But as me I go up on the road, me I leave these to go and boil because maybe the ackee are kind of tough. So just avoid that. Me I put on my pot of water with my saltfish and my ackee together, so the ackee get some flavor from the saltfish and some salt, you know. So right about now, wash on my ackee them, yeah, and some warm water. This base now hole in the bottom, so that's good to wash your thing them, you know. Water drain out same time. Yeah man. So as you can see, you have a decent amount of ackee to eat.
Oh lang na tago last one.
Can last you 2 days because I man love ackee na me. No ackee.
Breakfast, lunch and dinner.
This is one thing probably doctor say me can't eat anymore, but still I go eat it.
Really?
I mean,
Which it means life and death.
If you mean death, then me not eat it, but if you mean life, me not eat it. Yeah.
Yeah, nobody's food.
Yeah, so me saltfish here. So me have one, this one I open already. Two nice piece of chunk of saltfish here. One little piece more on it. So I want to have a little bit of salt and leave some on the salty pot. Yeah. Put a little piece more on it. So the next pack of salt you can bust in this way. Yeah. Take out one piece of this. Put it in the same way with the salt.
Really? Yeah, wash off the salt. There's a lot of salt on that.
Just wash off the excess right there, so. And put it in there. Put salt in the pot, you know.
Yeah, we don't want too much salt.
With the ackee. So just put all of this together in a pot.
You trying to help me?
Maybe fly by you.
Yeah, man, I'll make that boil the ackee then stay at top. Shoot off some of the water, yeah?
Get away from me. I don't want to play with you. Pop.
Yeah, that good now. Put on a pot there, make him go and boil while we go on the road. You see me? Yeah, everybody, so right about now, we're going to take out the saltfish out of the pot. And put it on in this small pot here to boil. We want to keep it ackee. In this pot, we go and boil some more. Yeah, man, so I get some water on this right about now. And put it on the other burner and make it go and boil again, yeah? See, turn it on. So a little bit of water. Don't want too much on this. Like this. Taste this and see what I want. Yeah, man, that good, man. Now we boil it again. That good. Yeah, people, so have an onion, piece of thyme, and a piece of scotch bonnet pepper. So that I will put in it. Normally, I use like a whole pepper, but everybody in my house free the pepper. Me alone eat pepper, so just have it go easy on the pepper. But so I cut up this. I know everybody maybe use a lot of scallion and a lot of different seasoning. For me, we just go minimal with this because I don't really have a lot of seasoning we put in it. Different from this and some black pepper. Alright, so black pepper is key thing when it comes to ackee, you know, if you never know that. Yeah, man, the black pepper flavor it up nice. We not use too much though. So right now I cut up these and get them going, alright? Yeah, everybody, so the ackee done boil. Right and now, just cut up a little bit of seasoning because we don't need no heap of seasoning and all that. This is my saltfish, I pick up the saltfish already. And this is a frying pan. So right now, I'm just going to take off the pot with the ackee. Slide over a frying pan, we go and hot pan it and then throw in a little oil, strain out my ackee and get it going, you know.
Perfect piece.
Nothing now waste, nothing now that's right. You see me?
Look at ackee a little bit.
Bit again in a frying pan, I can see, remember say this deep, you know. People must say the ackee a little bit. You know what ackee if you get this amount of ackee we have in this?
No way, take a lot of pods when
It's a lot of ackee. So when you look on this now, look how deep this be, people. Look how deep this dish is. Right? And we get it right up here, so. It's a good amount of ackee, man. Good amount of ackee this. You know?
Alright, we see.
This can last if you want 2 days or 3.
2.
Yeah, people, so put in my oil now. You know, so you don't need too much oil in the ackee, you know. And do a fry everything, so we fry up ackee, you know, mean so you go drown in the oil, and a French fry. Or deep fry, you go do. Like, you make my frying pan hot first.
Frying pan, you're not supposed to hot right now.
Because me's a man, I don't like when the oil go in a cool frying pan, and then when you get hot, the oil kind of rise. You know? So, these can go in, you know.
Never hot.
You don't want it too hot. When it's too hot, it burn it, it won't in
Tell them like when it's hot, you throw in the air, shh.
and then it burn, it won't in you don't need much seasoning, people. So normally we all cook up ackee, just little season, little powder seasoning pan here, little black pepper like that, you know, no saltfish.
Some people use one whole for seasoning.
Yeah, some people cut all this up right pan here full of season come way, but some people with ackee.
Tomato, all kind of
Yeah,
seasoning.
man. But you know, say we don't have too much of them this season if we waste it for a little ackee right now. You know?
Here about waste. Tomato nice. Tomato nice.
I don't like tomato in an ackee. Everybody have their own preferences still, but when we cook up ackee, little onion, scallion, thyme and pepper, that we put in it, you know. So right about now, put in the saltfish, you know. You go and fry up a little bit in that eye there. You know what come next, you know. Piece a little bit. Yeah, so like one time boil, because I'm boiling enough water. I mean they boil again, but when we taste the ackee, sorry, not the ackee, the saltfish, you basically have the right amount of salt. So when I put no other seasoning on top of this with salt in it, just little black pepper. Next thing people, me have to touch the road again. So I know me not leave my yard again and not eat. So
You go eat before?
They have to go eat for me.
Yeah, go eat before you go away.
Of course.
Yeah, the rest of the like
I
you ready
rice
to
and
do
hold
this.
me up, you know.
You take out that piece of pepper there. If it's sitting spicy too, then we not eat it. If you can't eat in a piece, you're not eating a piece neither.
Then who what pepper eat in a piece?
If it's spicy and we can't eat in a piece, you're not eating a piece neither.
Yeah, we do. Just get some water and eat in a piece.
No.
Yeah, people, look on that. Look on the amount of ackee in that.
You look yellow in.
Wow, koyaki yellow and pretty people. Nice.
Almost like
Boy.
you almost like you know cook.
Cook man. Oh, yeah,
I never say no cook, I say
alright,
almost like you know.
You see ackee them, you see tree me get the ackee over? You pat them extra red. Red. Because you know you have different shade of red ackee pad in there.
A pink.
And one here well red.
A pink that, you know color.
No man.
Alright, come.
Don't show them the ackee pad because they're well red.
There's the ackee pad for when they take the water.
No man, you have two different trees, you know. Two different trees. Black pepper you had too much.
Come on, you think. But only cover good, you remember last
I
time.
want that pepper me.
Boy, I can't bother. No, you're not telling you the bakes.
I'm not really eat that right now, you know.
And then again, I put some black pepper next thing, it goes more spicy.
No man, no spicy so man.
Of course, black pepper make it spicy.
Yeah, so you turn on your fire low now. Well low.
You make us say you have to pitch of water. That's what others saying. More sneeze. Excuse me. But me turn with me nose, cause
Little bit more black pepper around the ackee, man. Nah, you come out there.
alright, a whole heap of black pepper that. Cheese and peas out there.
Sorry.
A whole heap of black pepper that.
Because I'm not stirring it.
I want to stir it, that's the whole heap of black pepper. Sneeze again, sure. Alright.
Yes, people.
Yes, sneeze in my pot. You tasty? Yeah, no? Go and sit down.
You see what my wife is salt? You can't salt.
Not salt
So
if you have enough.
No, I'm not putting no more salt now.
Not salt, but if you need a little bit of seasoning. Tasty.
I'm good, man. You can't tell. I remember some boiling ackee now, it is all fish, you know. You see me?
Salt and seasoning are two different things. No, you don't like taste food when you have cookie.
Perfect.
So you say.
It's spicy too. Yeah, trouble somebody people.
Trouble me?
It's spicy, read man, you take out this.
Are you alone that eat if it's spicy? Me serious, you know.
Now you can eat it. You know bad.
Yeah, it's not bad for you, but you know me don't like it spicy. Not like to me, I enjoy the food if it's spicy. I don't enjoy food when it's spicy, so I don't know you enjoy food when it's spicy. I enjoy food when it's spicy.
You're gonna love it. As in, it's spicy. You don't really taste it, right? And you can't eat it, you know, it just have the right touch. Because you tell us no seasoning and pepper.
You want to say?
See rice there, people, look.
Anything you want to say?
Alright, look for my rice. Just couple more minutes and the rice done, you know? And couple more minutes and the ackee done too. So you don't know, say, food time after that, you know. Yeah, people, so the ackee here, ackee boat land or ship, because this a frying pan big. So ship this, you know. Yeah, so look at that. Ackee real nice and yellow and pretty. Look at that, people. Imagine seeing this beer roll, your stomach roll, your mouth run water, you start scratch your head, you start sneeze, everything. Alright, so that I ackee. Move over now to my rice pot. As you can see, light on orange, so you don't know say rice pot land. See it there? Look for my rice. Steaming hot,
What's
people.
fascinated about rice?
Yeah, and so you have deal with the rice, yeah, and some ackee. You know? So right now, I share the first plate. I'm gonna see what I want. Get one plate, because I don't know, see a bowl. My wife is out there because she craving.
So I become a crazy, because it's easy to eat with the baby in my hand. Go ahead.
Alright.
You know that.
Watch this. Watch this.
We've been a whole heap of food.
Especially go on like that.
Especially, you know, every single time I tell you, give me a whole heap of food, they give me this
So
big
that
old
good?
plate of food there.
Yeah, people, so that is our rice. Put our little ackee pan, you know.
It's just like ackee not spicy.
You have to make sure you can eat it.
Make sure you make it. You know, put them while you're full of it in that ackee, so.
Yeah,
Let
people,
me tell you how you want
that
this.
your ackee,
What is it in there?
rice. Who else want ackee? Who else want food?
You want food, Jenna?
Yes.
Alright, so it's a fair bowl. Everybody craving.
Go, please.
Right now, with my plate.
You want bowl too, because you greedy. Oh, you want base.
And the bowl me out time, you got basin.
I know, you greedy.
People, don't laugh, but you see this basin? A mackerel stain this. 2 million mackerel and rice. A dumpling. You love my thing mackerel, don't play with me, you know. A mackerel stain this.
Yes, yes. Signature mark, that trademark.
So you don't know say my rice have to come about 3/4 bowl.
Janae, alright, can my phone come?
3/4.
Wait, I ring? Take it for now, we see. Nah, ring. Yeah, a meal come in.
3/4 plate of
I don't know
rice.
about the fight. Hey, no, fight over my phone and make it drop. Take it for now, Gianna.
See there? That's my rice, you know.
Put it for she can't catch it.
So you know say this a rice I can last with you another week or so.
So at the same time.
And then cause we no cook that often because we're busy. Yeah? So cook a pot and it last we a few days.
And we don't cook, you know, change meat every single day. We have done one first.
Yeah, when we cook we,
Like
we
a
try to finish up what we have in the fridge before we cook anything else, you know?
And you go eat off half I ackee now.
No man, we are talk about.
Talk about ackee, me can't eat. You have some breadfruit in the freezer. You can fry a morning.
Mommy, look at
Wake
me.
up a morning and I don't see it if you mention it. So what you want the breadfruit and
A long time in India, need to show. So,
yeah, people, I might plate this, you know. You see me?
But check how much ackee. Jesus.
No.
Why?
Watch.
Why?
Look on the plate.
A whole heap of
Right
ackee.
there, a beer
Watch
rice
it.
and
I
a-
like that.
beer rice underneath it.
Call out my boy. Yeah. No, sir, you sit there
Beer rice
yourself.
underneath it, people. Right about now, we are going to get to the taste test.
Make sure say no
So
spice.
somebody got taste, you know. And we are ready to see if it's spicy. It's too spicy or it's spicy. Which one? If it is spicy, you don't know already, man.
Spicy, I reach my taste bud, it's spicy, yes? But I try to see if it's bearable.
It bearable, man, it's not too bad.
Spicy. If it is less spicy, I enjoy it.
People like me have to start cook my own pot separate, you know.
Sound like a plan. What do you?
Pan this one I come with the foolishness now, people. Watch out.
Yep. I'll try to be here. All good? No, nobody eat it. And them look.
You know,
None eat anything when it's hot, you know. Whether it's spicy, hot or hot, you know, busy.
yeah, people, so. How it
It tastes good, but you never so spicy.
Yeah, people, so. You don't know. You know, if you bother see me eat mine, because you know, say me love spice already. You know? So, but that is it, people. The ackee and saltfish and rice. White rice, move your hand and make people let me see food, you know? See that? Somebody around here, I go drop asleep. Chicky 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 ching. Chicky 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 ching. Chicky 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 ching. You know laugh with daddy today. You get injection people, see a little smirk, you know.
She not feelings as then that's
Diggy
it.
diggy diggy ding. Diggy 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 ding. Diggy 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 ding. Diggy diggy ding. Diggy diggy ding.
That's what then that's why don't play with baby like that. Remember?
Yeah, people, she kind of droop because she get her shot today, you know? Yeah, man, but yeah, man, I eat that for ackee and rice. Cook that up real fast. See, kids them one here. Them not eat too much ackee, so them get a little bowl and a spoon. I see my plate here with my bowl right there, so it's full of ackee and rice and my big spoon I'm gonna eat with, you know?
Yes.
Yeah, man.
You're bad pan.
Yeah, people, so that's the end of the video. Alright. Thank you for tuning in. That's the end of our next one. Stay tuned for the next one and make sure you subscribe and the notification bell is turned on to all so you get notified. Yeah, so we have a lot of other cooking videos on the channel. And yeah, thank you for stopping by. Make sure you, as we said before, make sure you subscribe. The notification bell is turned on and it's on all so you get notified when we upload on the channel. Alright? So I'm gonna go ahead and eat my food before we go up on the road. Alright? So peace out, people.
Bye.
Say bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Bye bye. Say bye. Say bye. Yeah, people, I hate that.